Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Deepthi Shukla. I'm a dermatologist and trichologist. So let's talk about BioFUE today. What is BioFUE? So as all we know that the most commonly done method for hair transplantation these days is follicular unit extraction that we call commonly as FUE method. In FUE method, we do 3 steps: extraction of graft, then making of slits on the recipient area, and then implantation of grafts. So in FUE, when we remove the grafts from donor area and we keep these grafts in chilled normal saline to increase the viability of the grafts. But there is always chances of damage to graft, mechanical trauma, dehydration and other problems which can occur because the graft remains outside the body for 2 to 4 hours after extraction and before implantation. So this causes a little bit damage to graft. This may affect the results of hair transplantation in future a little bit. So we came up with an advanced method of FUE only, which is BioFUE. So in BioFUE, what we do is we use growth factors along with the normal procedure of FUE. Now, as I told you, when we remove the grafts from donor area, we keep these grafts in chilled saline, normal saline, to keep them hydrated and to prevent the trauma, to prevent the infection. But when we add growth factors to this solution where we keep the graft, the survivability of the graft, the dehydration decreases, the survivability increases, the chances of mechanical trauma decreases. Overall, the graft becomes more healthier before implantation. Now in BioFUE, we also inject the growth factor solution on the donor area as well as on implantation area. So when we inject these growth factors on donor area, it increases the healing process of donor area. So the donor area heals very fast and the chances of scarring in donor area decreases. Also, when we inject these growth factors on implanted area, that is recipient area, the existing hair surrounding the implanted graft, the growth factors increases the growth of those existing hair, plus the growth factor increases and supply nutrition to the implanted hair roots also. So the hair roots become more healthy and they give you long lasting results in long run. So these are the advantages of BioFUE over plain FUE, because in BioFUE, finally, the advantages are long lasting results, healthier hair and with great texture. The texture of hair also improves with BioFUE. The healing of donor area is very good with growth factors injection. Plus, sometimes the shedding phase which occurs after FUE, that also reduces. The shedding of transplanted hair after FUE process decreases after injecting growth factors. So these are the advantage of BioFUE over FUE. And if you have any doubt regarding BioFUE or you want to know more about the BioFUE procedure, do visit our clinic and we can discuss further about the procedure. Thank you.